Welcome to my free photography notes. This guide is here to help everyone quickly grasp the basics of photography, whether you're using a camera or a smartphone. You'll learn foundational composition rules and various styles to make your photos more creative and engaging. Whether you're capturing travel moments, social media shots, portraits, product photography, street scenes, or even video, these techniques will enhance your results. Even better, you'll discover how to break conventional rules to create unique and captivating photos. Make sure to watch until the end. These tips will take your photography to the next level. As a beginner, how do you capture beautiful scenery when you're on a trip? Most people naturally center the subject and snap the photo. While this approach works, using the rule of thirds can add balance and appeal to your photos. Method 1. The rule of thirds. The rule of thirds divides the frame into 9 equal parts using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Placing the subject at the intersections of these lines makes the photo more harmonious. Example 1. When photographing a flower, placing it in the center may seem ordinary, but by shifting it slightly to the right intersection, the photo becomes more intriguing. You could even zoom in so that the flower sits on the top right intersection for a more dynamic effect. Example 2. When capturing a dog, placing it off-center, say on the right, makes the photo feel livelier. This technique also works well for people. Example 3. For landmark architecture, highlighting unique features by placing the building at one of the intersections will instantly draw attention. This approach works not only for people, pets, and buildings, but also for plants, accessories, and other objects. The audience's gaze naturally gravitates toward these points. You can also apply the rule of thirds in landscapes by positioning the horizon on either the top or bottom line for better balance. Try this technique next time you're taking a photo of a friend. Method 2. Using negative space. Negative space emphasizes the subject by reducing background distractions, drawing viewers' focus to the main element. Example 1. In a photo of a tree against a plain sky, the clean background keeps attention on the tree itself. Choosing what to include or exclude can avoid clutter and make the subject stand out. Example 2. In a shot of a pavilion over the ocean, a top-down angle with the blue water as a backdrop eliminates busy elements like tourists, keeping the composition simple. Example 3. A dog running joyfully across the snow with no trees or people in the frame creates a crisp and clean image. Different composition methods can completely change a photo's impact. Don't hesitate to try new approaches, and you'll find yourself capturing more creative shots. Method 3. Using leading lines. Leading lines draw viewers' eyes to the main subject and add depth to your photo by connecting the foreground and background. Lines can be anything, like a road leading to distant mountains or the rails of a bridge. Example 1. A winding road guides the eye toward a mountain in the distance, creating a sense of direction and interest. Example 2. Trees and fences on either side of a path direct attention toward the ocean in the distance. Example 3. Train tracks and metal railings converge at a distant point, pulling the viewer's gaze down the tracks. Though this technique might feel intentional at first, with practice, it will become a natural part of your composition process. Method 4. Balancing and symmetry. Balance and symmetry can give your photos a professional look. Balance doesn't just mean leveling the horizon or centering objects. It also considers the size and number of elements. For instance, a large object on the right and a small one on the left create an unbalanced frame. Symmetry, on the other hand, occurs when the two halves of the photo mirror each other, either vertically or horizontally. This is common in nature, like trees, or in architecture, like reflections in water. Symmetrical compositions often appear serene and stable, while asymmetry can add energy and mood. In this video, we've covered a range of techniques, from the rule of thirds and negative space to leading lines and symmetry. These methods can elevate your photos from ordinary to striking. So next time you're out shooting, give these tips a try. They'll take your photography to a new level. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends. Keep creating and happy shooting.